DevOps presents highly optimized web engines. If you are looking for better application performance, faster response time, better hardware and software support, then you are in the right place. We developed highly optimized web engines for you, chose the one you preferred and get all from it. Highly tweaked configurations combined with an additional web layer for caching and security. They designed to boost up your application performance up to 70% so you could entertain more traffic. Security layer helps in intrusion detection and prevents unwanted attempts. PHP Stack designed to deliver optimal performance, faster response and security. Secret ingredients combined with Nginx, Varnish, Redis, PHP, Opcache, Apache, MySQL, Memcached along with optimized configurations. Mean Stack special configuration gives the performance that speeds up and secures the application. Secret ingredients combined with Nginx, Node, Angular, NPM, MySQL, PostgresSQL, or MongoDB, Redis and Memcached. Java Stack configured for better security, performance and response time. Secret ingredients combined with Nginx, Memcached, Tomcat, MySQL, PostgresSQL, Redis. Choose your stack today and evolve from traditional hosting to DevOps to upgrade your experience. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe our channel.